Now that all 4 activation keys are printed and the electrical components are ready, it's time to assemble the activation chamber. Make sure all switches and wires are positioned correctly. Next, place the tumblers into the activation chamber, making sure each one is positioned correctly in its assigned slot. Then, carefully place the top cover onto the chamber. Check that everything is properly aligned and that the tumblers can move as intended. Once the chamber is fully assembled, carefully place the activation chamber vertical. Now it is time to test the 4 activation keys. Insert each key into its assigned slot, one at a time. Check that each key fits properly and pushes the tumbler inside the chamber. Observe how each key interacts with its tumbler and make sure it moves as intended. Repeat this process for all 4 keys. If a key does not fit or move the tumbler correctly, check the design and make the necessary adjustments. Once all 4 keys have been tested, the activation chamber is ready for the next step. Finally, insert the activation rod into the chamber. When the activation rod is positioned correctly, listen for the beep. The beep confirms that the activation chamber has been successfully activated.